Hey, this is Jeremy with Audi Temecula. Just wanted to show you this beautiful 2017 A6 that we just took in on trade. I actually personally sold this vehicle when it was new. I know we sold it when the 2018s were already out, so it's really only been on the road about 1 year, even though it is 2 model years old. It's got 15,900 miles on it, and it's absolutely pristine condition. It was a one-owner vehicle. Like I said, it was originally sold here new at Audi Temecula and just traded in the last couple days. It's beautiful Mythos black color and just absolutely stunning. As you can see, there's no dents, door dings, anything like that. It is Quattro all-wheel drive. It's got the beautiful upgraded wheels, black leather seats, just such a nice car. Back seat looks beautiful. Not a nick or scuff anywhere in the leather. And then same for the inside. Beautiful leather interior. It's got the upgraded Bose stereo. Electric seats on both front driver and passenger sides. And this one's got one of my favorite wood inlays. It's the natural gray oak, dark gray oak wood inlays. Really just a beautiful, beautiful car. And of course, this car has Audi Connect, so you get all your online connected features, including Google Earth satellite imagery, both in your center screen and in between your gauges. And of course, this car has Apple CarPlay or Android Auto as well, so you can have your phone take over that center screen in the middle of the dashboard. Like I mentioned, as you can see on the speedometer there, just under 16,000 miles, 15,919 as of right now. So this is close to a new A6 for close to half the money that it sold for new that you're going to find. And it's just absolutely beautiful. Let's take it for a quick spin around the block. As you can see, it runs and drives beautifully. All the services and maintenance has been up to date on this vehicle, so literally there's nothing to do except sign and drive this beautiful Mythos black A6 home. As you know, if you've researched Audis much, the body style for the 2017 is exactly the same as the 2018. I think it runs back through about 2012, so really a timeless design. This car looks absolutely beautiful, and it of course runs and drives just like a brand new vehicle. The A6 has got plenty of get up and go. A little bit larger than the A4, so you got lots of room in the back seat if you haul clients around or anything like that. And of course, this car is still under full manufacturer factory warranty, which is 4 year, 50,000 miles. And of course, that can be upgraded to extend the time or the miles if you were so inclined. Just such a great car, though. I'm going to walk around the outside one more time now that I'm off the lot, so you can take a peek at it over here again. Stick it in park there. Let's take a quick peek around the outside again. This car does have Sirius satellite radio, and as again I mentioned, it's got the Audi Connect feature, so you can connect up to 7 devices to the in-car Wi-Fi hotspot. If you want to connect an iPad or your laptop, if you do a lot of work on the road, this is definitely a great car for an executive that travels a lot. Very comfortable, but very classy as well. Just beautiful condition. I mean, you could park this next to the new cars on my lot and you couldn't tell me which was which, because the condition is just that nice. No dents, door dings, no wheel rash or anything like that. The wheels are absolutely beautiful with the Pirelli P0 tires. Really, really nice. That passenger front wheel is the one most people curb, and it's not been, thankfully. Beautiful all-wheel drive Audi Quattro A6. Such low miles for the year, and it is priced to move. You can buy this car for close to half of what it sold for new. Just beautiful. Really spacious trunk in these A6s. Let me pop that for you real quick. Nice large trunk. The floor mat's there in the trunk, and then of course all the seats fold down. So if you needed to haul something a little bit larger than normal, you can get that fold down right there in the middle to haul some extra stuff. And of course the side seats fold down as well. So there you have it. Beautiful 2017 Mythos Black Audi A6. Beautiful condition. I think we have this vehicle listed on our website for $35,999, and it originally was sold for closer to $55,000. So you're talking like a $20,000 discount from new for 15,900 miles. That, my friends, is a bargain. Give me a call. My name is Jeremy, out here at Audi Temecula. We do offer financing, and we'd love to have you come out and take a test drive in this beautiful A6 today. Thanks for watching. Hope you have a great day.